Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. Today I'm going to be showing you how to send an email on Yahoo Mobile. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your Yahoo Mail mobile application from your app drawer and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the compose icon or the pencil icon at the upper right hand corner. Into the to text box, enter an email address that you are trying to send an email. Enter the email of the recipient. You can add multiple recipients as well. Simply keep adding more if you want. And once you are done, head over to the subject text box. You can type in any subject that you'd like. And now move towards the message body. Type in your email that you are trying to send to the recipient. Once you create the body of your email, if you have any attachments you'd like to add, tap on the paperclip icon at the bottom and search for attachments that you'd like to mention into the email. Once you select an attachment, tap Done at the top right. Apart from the attachment, you can also add in pictures, GIFs, and so much more. Finally, after you are done composing an email, tap on the send button at the top right hand corner, and that way you'll be able to send in your email on Yahoo Mobile. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.